bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Yes, Lionel trains can be worth a considerable amount of money, especially vintage models in excellent condition or those with rarity. The value significantly varies, ranging from a few dollars for common items to thousands for rare finds. Collectors often look for original packaging, limited editions, and historical significance. To determine the value of a specific Lionel train, consult a reputable price guide or seek an appraisal from a trusted collector or auction house.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.